Hello guys, welcome to another video on Tutorship TV. I believe you guys are enjoying your time on my channel. Always share the video with your friends and family on your social media. And for you could be helping someone to sort out important and urgent need at a particular time, and that person will always remain grateful to you whenever you do that. Something happened after the last video I made on how to transfer your cryptocurrency from trading account to investment account, which I will also be leaving the link on the description below. Someone watched the video and sent me a message that he wants me to also do a video on how to redeem your coin after staking. For I also have a video on how to stake your coin, which I will also be leaving the link on the description below. So when he sent the message, I was so happy because it's always my pleasure to give you what you like on this channel. On that note, I welcome you to another wonderful video on how to redeem your coin after staking. But today I will be using Hotbit as example. Hotbit is very equivalent to Binance. Even if you are not using Hotbit or Binance, just go through the video. You will get the fundamentals on how to do that on any exchange you find yourself, whether OKS, whether Coinbase, or any exchange, and you will always find your way out. And it's very simple. So having said that, guys, let's move into the video. First thing you have to do is to click on your Hotbit application and allow it to open. Yes, when it open, if you look towards your navigation button, you will see home, you will see market, you will see trading, you will see investment, you will see fund. So you have to click first on your investment. Then when you click on your investment, you go to your top right corner here and see your asset, and you click on it and put in your password. So you also click on it again. Then down here you will see the coin which you've staked before. But what happened here is that some coins are fixed while some are daily, though both of them gives you daily income. But the fixed one has to be there until the date you fix it elapses before it will automatically redeem itself. But those ones which are daily, you can redeem it on your own anytime, any day. So what you do now, if you look at this down one here, you see a blue button that says redeem. So what you do is to click on the blue button and allow it to load. When it opens, then you will now see a place where you have to confirm it. When you confirm it, if you are the type that is using Hotbit application, you know their customary way that the coin has to wait until after 24 hours before it will now be transferred to your investment account. But like I said earlier, if you are not using any of this account, whether Hotbit or Binance, the redemption method is the same pattern. So you have to wait for 24 hours on this particular Hotbit. Then after 24 hours, what you do is for you to go back and click on your fund. Then you see trade, you see ETF, you see investment, and you see game. So you click on investment, and your coin will be here looking at you. I already have a video on how to transfer your coin from investment account to trading account, because if your coin is on investment account, you cannot sell it, you cannot trade it, it will always be here. But if you want to sell and make your gain, you have to transfer it from this investment account to trading account. In case if you want the video, the link will be on the description below. If you find this video interesting, share your thought with me on the comment section and also on my Gmail account below. Like, share, and also click on the red subscribe button and also on the bell notification icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be among the first person that will get it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. God's will, signing out.